आता कितलेशेच डेमोलिशना ही आता ऑर्डर काढल्या ही केन्ना तुम्ही केल्ली फायल आणि किती हाजो प्रोसेस चल्ला?
हो प्रोसेस हांवें स्टार्ट केल्लो 2018 आणि 2018 चीफ ऑफिसर मारगांव म्युनिसिपॅलिटी ताणें सेक्शन 190 डिक्लेअर केली आफ्टर हेल्थ रिपोर्ट फ्रॉम द गोवा इंजिनियरिंग कॉलेज विच स्टेटेड दॅट द बिल्डिंग इज नॉन रिपेरेबल नॉन रेट्रोफिटेबल मिनींग कांयच करूंक जायना डिमॉलिश करूंक ते सगळें केलें आनी मागीर द होल थिंग वेंट इन टू लिंबो कांयच जावंक ना लेटर्स वेंट फ्रॉम डेप्युटी कलेक्टर टू म्युनिसिपॅलिटी टू कलेक्टर म्हूण कांयच जावंक ना 2023 the collector took cognizance of the whole thing and said that the demolition has to happen and he brought it under Disaster Management Act. So पहिले Municipalities and Act he brought in Emergency Act of Disaster Management. Then was a much movement but nothing was happening much. Now the collector in the present situation took strong action and I think how we filed a petition in the High Court kind Zainamon. Desperation we filed a petition in the High Court and also there were 2 balcony collapses close by. So they saw Barabor even. I think finally it was decided that this has to happen very soon and the collector took a decision, passed an order and we are very happy. High Court also played a very important role. That petition played an important role and today you can see that the demolition has started. एक महिन्या भितर काबार घेतले. We are very careful because साइडीन रस्तो आहा, लोक वयता, मोटार आहा, त्या साइडीन बिल्डिंग आहा, लोक थिंगाय आसता. So we are very careful. We are doing it very systematically. No bulldozers. तसले कांयच करूंक ना. All with hand machinery at least to a certain level. So सगळे प्लॅनिंग करून, स्ट्रॅटेजाइज करून ते केला.